In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unprotect a sheet in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes, whether for work or personal use, you might encounter an Excel sheet that's locked and editable only with a password. Whether you know the password or have simply forgotten it, I'll walk you through both scenarios so you can regain access to your data quickly and efficiently. Let's first tackle the situation where you know the password. Begin by opening your Excel file and navigating to the Review tab located on the ribbon at the top of your screen. You'll see various options under this tab, but for now, look for the button labeled Unprotect Sheet. Click on it. Once clicked, Excel may prompt you to enter the password you've been using. Simply type it in and hit OK. This action should immediately unlock your sheet, allowing you full access to make edits as needed. There's a second method to unprotect the sheet that might be quicker for some. Right-click the Sheets tab located at the bottom of the screen. A menu will appear, and you'll want to select Unprotect Sheet from the list. If asked, enter your password here too. With that, you've successfully unprotected your sheet using the password you had. Now, let's move on to the scenario where the password has slipped your mind, which can happen to the best of us. One viable workaround, particularly for older Excel file versions, involves using a VBA macro to override the protection. This method is more technical but effective. Start by pressing Alt and F11 together on your keyboard, which opens the Visual Basic for Applications Editor. If this is your first time in the editor, don't worry, it might look complex, but we're just going to insert a simple tool here. In the editor, find the option to insert a new module. Click Insert and then Module from the drop-down menu. You should see a blank space where you can paste a VBA script known as a password breaker. This script is designed to attempt unprotecting your sheet. Once you've pasted the script, run the macro by pressing F5. Let it work its magic as it tries various combinations to unprotect the sheet for you. And there you have it. Whether you had the password handy or not, you now know how to unlock your Excel sheets. Remember, these methods should be used ethically and responsibly. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you find yourself in Excel-related pickle. Thanks for watching, and happy Excel unlocking!